Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? On this occasion, I want to promote my new product named Smart Quran. Before I continue my presentation, I want to introduce myself. My name is Hamza Li Abdullah. My name is 252 149. Okay, do you know what the Smart Quran is? Smart Quran is a tool to read, study, memorize, and learn the Quran with digital technology and without having to bother looking for a teacher to learn the Quran. Because Smart Quran is the real teacher for us to learn the Quran easily and beautifully. Smart Quran is not only work passively but also actively, because this tool has used super advanced AI technology and can listen our citation if there is an error in tajweed, and also if there is a memorization of our citation is wrong. Why did I make this tool? I made this tool because I want to solve the problem when people have a hardly condition to learn the Quran. When I see in this technological era, many people have turned away from the Al-Quran because they can read the Quran correctly, especially the elder people and the children. Smart Quran is a smart of holy book where you can bring it wherever you want and simple to use. In Smart Quran, you can to learn about Quran so easy because you don't need real people to learn the Quran and don't need to come to the school to learn of Al-Quran. But you just still in your house, you can learn Quran same as you learn in the school. In Smart Quran, you not only learn about the Quran, but most importantly, you can read the Quran, and beside you, there are people who listen to you reading of the existing tajweed rules. And you can, while memorizing the Quran, and the Smart Quran can listen to your reading. If there is something wrong in memorizing, and immediately save where your achievement have been. And now I show a special feature in my Smart Quran. The first feature is listening, which in this feature is active and passive, along with the explanation. Active. The Smart Quran has an active listening feature, which in the Smart Quran, our reading of the Quran can be heard by this tool. And if there is an error in reading or recitation, immediately can be directly corrected and can be notified from the Smart Quran that the reading will have something wrong. Passive. The second is the other way around because Smart Quran is passive, so we can only listen this Holy Quran from the Murattal provided, and there is a choice of Qari we want. Second feature, learning. The second feature is learning, where we can learn the Quran from each level provided from Iqra 1 to 6 and continue with learning tajweed and makharijul huruf, about how we pronounce letter by letter correctly. Memorizing. In this feature, we are facilitated with an environment of memorizing the Quran in a digital world, where we have a trace of our memorization, and every day we have to complete the memorization task that has been programmed properly, so that the memorization of the memorizers can be maintained properly and correctly. And in this Smart Quran, there is additional feature. The first, prayer schedule. In the Smart Quran, there is an additional feature in the form of a prayer schedule, where we can immediately know when the prayer schedule has arrived. And second additional feature, Hijri calendar. Not only prayer schedule, we can also find out the Hijri calendar to find out the recommended sunnah fasting times and so on. One day one hadith. We will get selected hadiths that will roll every day for us to read and absorb, which of course are authentic and strong hadiths. Okay, thank you so much for your interest and attention. Good luck in our life. And the last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.